For our
Okay.
listeners or viewers, Ron, introduce yourself. Tell me who you are and what you do for the University of Oklahoma.
My name is Ron Harris. I do mechanical operations at the Loyd Noble Center, University of Oklahoma. We have two 600-ton Centrovac chillers, and we have one 300-ton screw chiller. And they all run off the same TowerTech tower. Loyd Noble Center is a multi-function arena where OU basketball plays.
And I believe you have two 6-fan towers, correct? 12 fans
Yes,
total?
we do. Right.
And two different modules, correct? Side by side, two 6
That's
and
right.
6. Okay,
That's
but
right.
they operate as one cooling tower.
Yes, they do. They were installed in 1996. I believe they're 23 years old.
Okay, so they were actually there a couple years before you came on then.
Yes, they were put in the year I did start to work here. In all this time, we've only replaced 2 fan motors. And it ran for about, I want to say, 13 years before we even replaced one. So, I mean, the materials that were used in its construction are superior. The motors that were used are superior. And it's just been really a great tower. They haven't weathered, the sunlight hasn't had a big effect on them as far as the way they look. They're really in excellent condition. So, yeah, I'm more than happy with the way they've held up.
Have you had any problems with cooling tower drift going onto the parking lot, paint on the cars, anything with these towers?
No, the drift eliminators work extremely well. And we've had no instances of, drift getting anywhere, not on the building that they're right beside or not on any of the vehicles. They're down in the lot, so absolutely not.
Fantastic. Ronna, and don't want to take up too much of your time. So another question then wrapping up is, and I know you said earlier, would you recommend TowerTech towers to another user of cooling towers over a traditional tower?
I have recommended to several people. So yeah, absolutely I would.